Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Kate, and today we're going to be doing something that gives me anxiety. So a lot of YouTubers recently have been doing the mixing all my like blah 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 together to get like a Franken something. First person I saw this do was Sophia Nygaard. She's trying to do a whole Franken face, which I really enjoy watching them. I'll link it down below so you guys can see it. But she's literally mixed almost every single face makeup product you could think of to get a Franken face. So I was looking at all my makeup products, and I don't really have a ton of like foundations or something. Like, I don't go out and buy a ton of those stuff because I just don't have the money to do it. But something I do have a lot of are lipsticks. Now, I don't have a lot of like just liquid lipsticks or whatever products, but I have a ton of them all combined. So I know it's like all the formulas are different, but I mean, in the end, we're not expecting much anyway. So today we're going to be mixing all of my lip products together. Yay! Now, why this gives me anxiety? I am fine with these lip glosses and like liquid lips, but you know, the lipsticks, how it has a little top thing, I gotta cut a little bit of that off. And it just makes me sad to see that go and just leave. But I mean, it's for a good cause, right? Yeah, sure. So I'm gonna start doing this. I have a little piece of paper we can track to see how many go on, and then I have this container. It's not clear, but it'll be a surprise for all of us at the end. This is what I put my little peanut butter for my celery at lunch in. So now I gotta find a new container to do that, but this is our new lipstick container. So I'm gonna be showing you guys this paper as I go, and let's get started. Okay, so we're done with all the mega sticks. I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 of those. These are all of them. Most of my lipsticks are neutral colors and like some pink tones and reds. I have a few brighter colors in there, so we'll see how that turns out. But overall, I think they're going to be like a neutral pink reddish in the ending. So let's go on to the actual lipstick tubes. So I just did all my lipstick tube ones. There were 15 of those. This is the container right now. And I don't want people to be like, oh, you're not taking a ton of the lipsticks from it. No, I am not, for a few reasons. One, including it kills me to literally cut the tops of the lipstick off. Okay, honestly, go cut one of your lipstick tops off and tell me how you feel. It sucks. 2, I probably won't be wearing this again after this video, and I don't want it to go to waste as much as it kind of already is already. I will be keeping it in case I ever do have a need for it again, which I probably won't, but I hate seeing things go to waste, especially stuff that I paid for. So we're just gonna take a little bit of it, mix it all together. We're taking even amounts. Now we are on to lip glosses and liquid lips. I'll probably do the lip glosses and then I'll come back and then do liquid lips. Be right back. BRB. Okay, we are done with the 3, 4, 5, 6 lip glosses. Now on to liquid lips, and I think there are 15 of those, so we'll just pump right through them, mix this, and then see what it looks like. Okay, so I finished with the liquid lips. I also found another lip gloss. So our final numbers are 9 mega stick lipstick things, 15 lipstick tubes, 7 lip glosses, and 15 liquid lipsticks. I'll fold this over. If I fold it over, it looks like we have more. I have this little spatula thing I'm gonna mix it with, and then I'll put it on with a lip pen brush. Yep. So let's mix it. I obviously feel like we won't be able to see the exact color of this until we're finally done and with it on my lips. And all these formulas are so different, especially because we did liquid lips, lipstick tubes, lip glosses. So I don't think it's going to feel too hot on the lips. From all these shades, I think it's going to be some like a darker nude with like pink in it, but it also smells very good. One of my lip glosses was one of those Victoria's Secret flavored lip glosses. I don't know what flavor it is, but it smells really fruity. To prep my lips for this big occasion, I'm using the Blister X DCT lip balm. And then I actually also have lip primer I'm going to be using. Okay, so this is just the NYX lip primer. Wait, hang on my lips. Now, I usually don't use this because when I put primer on in the beginning, I usually just like push some over my lips so they're already kind of primed, so I just don't use that. That's why you usually don't see me use it. Using, I don't know what brand this is. We're going to be taking some of this lipstick, swatching it on the paper. Okay, so it's kind of just like a really dark pink. You can really tell those purple tones are in it, but then it also has like a really good nude base. And I don't want to call it nude, obviously, because it's like there's a ton of pink and like mauve-y almost, but I like can see a ton of like those nude like undershades, undertones. So let's swatch it on my lips. Oh, I got it all over my tripod. Fantastic, Kate. Okay. Looks a little opaque. Feels very like those lip glosses I put in it. Okay, so this is our Franken lipstick, you guys. Actually, I really like it. I didn't really expect to like it because I thought it would just be kind of nudish, but those purple and pink tones really showed up really well. Now we gotta think of a name for it, guys. Let's think. Honestly, I don't know. If you have any good ideas for names for this, leave it down below. Let me know what you want to call it, and we'll just call it that. Is that a good idea? Yeah. I hope you guys like this tutorial. It honestly wanted to make me cry. It made me so sad cutting the tops of some of my lipsticks off, but it's fine. We got this really cool lipstick out of it, actually. Let me know what you want to call it. And once someone gets a good name, I will let you guys know what we're going to call it. So I hope you guys like this. Honestly, it was a great idea. I had fun doing it, even though it sucked taking some off it. It was really fun to see what all my stuff combined to make into one thing. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, follow all my social media down below. I am Kate, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!